In this video, I'll walk you through how to transfer ownership of a Discord server. If you're currently the server owner and want to hand it over to someone else, it only takes a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app and click on the server that you want to transfer. Before anything else, make sure that you're actually the owner of the server. To confirm this, click on the member list on the right side. If you see a crown icon next to your username, that means you're the owner. As you can see here, the crown symbol confirms that I own this server. Now, to transfer the ownership to another member, click the drop-down arrow next to your server's name and select Server Settings. On the left sidebar, go to Members. Before proceeding, make sure the person you're transferring ownership to is already part of the server. For this demo, I have a member in the list that I'll be transferring ownership to. Find that member in the list, and on the right side, click the 3 vertical dots next to their name. From the menu, choose Transfer Ownership. Check the confirmation box and then click on Transfer Ownership again. At this point, Discord will ask for a verification code, which is usually sent to your email. Enter the code and confirm. Once that's done, the transfer is complete. You'll notice the crown icon is no longer next to your name, and the new owner now has it. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a comment below and let me know.